How to attach anything in the Notes application on iOS 18. iOS 18 has brought a lot of new functionality, including the fact that we can now attach anything to our Notes application. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, to add something like attach to our Notes, we have to open the Notes application. When you have opened the Notepad, start typing something. Above the keyboard, you will see an additional menu. In this menu, you will see a paperclip icon. If you click on it, a menu will open in which we can choose what to attach to the notebook. That's how we can add a file. If we tap on that option, the File Explorer will open. We can also add or record audio directly from the Notepad application. In addition, we can add a picture or video, scan a document or text. Just select the option that suits you and the file will be added. That is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.